Hi, this is Chad Newsom from PL Custom Emergency Vehicles. Building an ambulance is no simple task. There are many stages in the line of production with many employees working in unison to make this finished product. At the start of this process is chassis prep. Let's take a look at some of the steps we at PL Custom take to prepare the chassis to have the ambulance body mounted. The first step in the preparation of the chassis is to install the rear chassis window. Once installed, a thick layer of caulking is added to secure the back window panel in place, and is usually done first to allow ample drying time. A different option would be making a cut in the rear of the cab to add a pass-through door. Depending on the size of the ambulance body that will be attached, rear extensions will be added to allow for a longer body. The leaf spring suspension that comes standard is swapped out for liquid spring suspension on Type 1 chassis models. This has become a game changer in the ambulance industry. For this Type 1 ambulance, we attach outriggers that will allow us to secure the ambulance body to the chassis frame rails. Rubber isolation mounts are added to dampen movements and provide a more secure hold. The body floor frame will eventually be secured to these mounting points. The process differs slightly for a Type 3, with a donut mounting rail system affixed to the chassis frame rails before the ambulance body is secured. Next, we install the compressor box, which will provide functions for the air horn and automatic snow chains. Ground straps are added at various points to allow grounding and protection for the vehicle's electrical components. The exhaust is then redirected and extended based on the type and size of ambulance body. This is to ensure the exhaust fumes are safely directed away from the vehicle. This process is done in compliance with each chassis manufacturer's body building guidelines. The final step is to add any other optional features requested by the customer. These may include air horns, front bumper extensions, siren speakers, fog lights, or other customer-specific items. This particular vehicle is being equipped with a liquid spring suspension system to both lower the rear of the ambulance for easier patient loading and unloading, and also to provide a smoother ride for patients and crew. Every vehicle we produce at PL Custom is unique and catered specifically to the needs of the customer. Check back for more video content on other important steps in the PL Custom emergency vehicles manufacturing process.